22. In my case, FIFA 21. It doesn't matter. It's completely the same. Then right-click on your FIFA 22 and then click on Open File Location. And then again, right-click on FIFA 22 and Open File Location. And then you're going to see an application that is called FIFA22.exe. Right-click on it and click on Properties. And then in the Properties, switch to the Compatibility tab. And here we're going to make a few changes. First of all, I would suggest you to try running the program as in compatibility mode 4. Check this setting here. And then Windows 8 is completely fine. And then down here in the settings, again, first of all, set the setting disable full screen optimizations. And also I would suggest you to run this program as an administrator. And then just click on apply, click on OK. And I would also always suggest you to try restarting your computer. And to, but then you can just start it normal and again, so just double click on your stop shortcut or in the search FIFA 22, open it again. And another thing what you can try is to get in the task manager, click on more details, and then try ending every task that is related to FIFA 22 and then restarting it again. So just search for tasks related to FIFA 22 and then just end them. And then try restarting it again. Yeah, that's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something didn't work, just leave me a comment and I'll write it back as soon as possible. And then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.